waffle's all done. You ate all your waffle, didn't you? Want me to throw that away? You want to put that in the garbage? Good girl.
Aaron, you want to tuck in your horsey?
Thank you. Is it time for the horsey to go night-night?
Hugs? Give him a hug.
Hug. Good girl.
Kiss.
Yeah. Okay. Night-night, horsey. You want a blanket? You tuck him in? That's nice. Does he need another blanket? Yeah.
Can you Can you sing the ABC song? Can you sing the ABC song? How does the song go, kiddo? A, B, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Go night-night. You say, good night, Daddy.
Go night-night. Yeah.
Give Daddy a kiss.
Night-night. You want to tuck in Dad?
Yeah.
You want to tuck in Dad? You want Dad to lay on the floor? Lay on the floor? Okay.
Night-night, Daddy.
Tuck me in. Tuck.
Ah, gentle. Can you rub his back?
On my back.
Oh, that's good.
Night kiss. Thank you. Night. Okay. Lie down. Lie down. Oh. Thank you. It's very nice. Oh, I'm sorry. Good night kiss. Okay?
Yeah.
You want me to lay down? Okay. Hat? Hand? Can you grab me the pillow? The pillow? The pillow, yeah. Thank you. Night. Tuck. Yeah. Head. Is there another blanket? Oh, thank you. Thank you.